All right, so here we are. Welcome back to Little Bev's channel. And littlest Bev's, Fiona and Ari, yeah. So tell us what y'all doing today.
We're gonna fix the bird house so we could put the birds' food in here.
And then hopefully we can see a lot of birds eating.
Yeah.
Hopefully the birds that we see in around the property will come and eat some of these bird feed that we're gonna have, and hopefully them hummingbirds will be hanging around during morning time.
The hummingbirds, we're gonna have to get the hummingbird feed.
I think they like the this is too big
But,
for the
yeah.
hummingbirds. I mean the blue jay,
The blue jays, the
red
cardinals,
robins,
yeah.
they have a lot of
Look, they got that
big
little
birds.
on the front of it. They got what that's supposed to attract: some bluebirds, some finches, some chickadees.
Fine sea skins and purple finches.
Hopefully, that you think that's gonna attract those birds.
Hopefully.
Songbird blend.
Oh wow.
Songbird blend. Ooh. It's gonna be on the other side, not on my chicken, on the long part. Yep, just like that.
But you can open it already,
So we gotta open the top up like this, Fiona. You're gonna take this, bring this all the way up, and then the top just comes off. And you gotta pour. Who mama doing first? Mama, don't drop it on the ground.
Wow, look at the, and they also got peanuts in here. How the birds can eat the peanuts, and they had some. Look how big this is. So this a raisin?
There's something
Wait,
they gonna
baby.
eat.
Hey, mommy.
Hold up, Mom. Hold up. 1 second. Oh shoot. Oh no.
Uh-oh. They dropping the bird food. Make sure it clamps on the top, and then just put that down like a shoe thing. Golly, no way.
No way.
Just put it on the top right. Come on. Now take this, squeeze that before you try to slide it down.
Squeeze what?
The button.
Right here.
There you go.
Is it? Oh, it's tight now, baby.
I'm gonna put it on there.
Carefully. Oh, Fiona put hers in hanging already.
Yeah.
You can hold it.
I'm gonna hold the top.
Hold
And
it
you
for
put
me.
it on. You put it on.
Hold it.
Can you reach it? Good. Good job,
Good
mama.
job. And Fiona's turn.
Right back. Look, Daddy's sleeping.
Then we still got like almost like 1/4 of
You
that.
know, these could be for something else.
Maybe good. Hopefully the just make sure it's clamp on each side, fit it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Michael's already hanging.
Press it and slide it down. So we got the birds
Wow.
house,
That is so pretty looking.
and we got the food. Hopefully they come and eat.
And also the birds that's staying on that bird house right there, it has babies like eggs in there, and hopefully they will come and just get their food over here and bring it to their baby.
Hopefully, so that way they don't have to go far. They can stay close and
Yep.
feed the little ones, or feed themselves, and then they don't have to worry about feeding themselves. They can go find some worms for the little ones, and they'll be nice and fed on the
Especially
feed.
them smaller ones, they had smaller feed for the babies that they can
Mommy,
bring
you know
it
we
with
can't
them.
eat these?
That's the sunflower seeds, yeah, but that's the bird food. That's not the one that we eating.
Wow.
So
And
yeah.
we will have our own video too.
So that's it. So thank y'all for watching.
our chip. No.
And look at this stuff.
Hope
Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And
Pecan pie face.
yeah.
Pecan pie face.
Next time.
Yes, we see you, pecan pie face.
Don't mess with it because it's going to let come on.
All right, see y'all next time, guys. Thank y'all for
Bye,
watching Living
guys.
with
Love
Bevs.
y'all.
And this is a nice family moment with her oldest and her
And-
littlest daughter.
Youngest daughter.
Yeah.
Oldest and youngest daughter. So
Mhm.
thank you for watching. Bye guys.
All right.